Hey Glow Fam! Today I'm going to be showing you these gorgeous rose gold coffin shaped press-on nails that I have. I did acquire these press-ons from the Nailest, and if you have not heard or seen of their work, she is on Instagram and I absolutely love her nail designs. Some of them she even uses real Swarovski crystals. Now these nails are really nice. I love the ones with the chevron detail, and on the base portion that actually goes on your nail, it is really thin and flexible, so that way you can contour it to the shape of your finger. So they're really nice nails, and I will give you guys an update after I've kind of broken them in to see how well they've held up. So here I started out filing my nail in one direction with my regular nail file, but your girl had some places to go, so to speed this up, I just switched to my drill and started filing in that way. This drill is the same one that I used in my previous nail video, and if you haven't seen that video, I will leave it up in the card section above. It is not an abrasive or really harmful nail file. As you can see, I just put it on my hand and it didn't hurt me at all. So now I'm just taking my cuticle pusher and pushing back my cuticles. And here I am showing you guys the primer that I'm going to be using, as well as the dehydrant. Now you do not have to use a primer or a dehydrant. The dehydrant basically sucks all of the oils out of your fingers before you apply your nails. So rubbing alcohol would do that and work just as perfectly fine. I would suggest getting 90% alcohol and you would be good to go. With the primer, I just moved into a new apartment, so I haven't really unpacked all of my stuff, and I just so happened to grab the primer from my aunt's house and decided to try it out to see if it made a difference with my nails. But in general, it's not necessary to use it if you don't want to go out and purchase one. So now that we have applied the primer, I'm just going to get my acrylic liquid set up and my acrylic powder. Both of these are from Kiss, and it's just regular acrylic powder, not dip powder or anything. And I do have this cute little bowl that I got from Sally's for like $2.99 that you can put your acrylic liquid in. I also got the brush that I'm using. It was a brush pack from Dollar Tree. Don't sleep on Dollar Tree, y'all. They come through. You know they the plug. And so I'm just dipping my brush into the acrylic liquid and kind of tapping off the excess on the sides. And then I'm going to get a ball of the acrylic powder and place it on my thumb. Sometimes I like to put a little bit extra because my thumbs are a little bit bigger. And then all you do is take your press-on nail and press it down for about 20 to 30 seconds. Sometimes I hold my finger up so that way I can make sure my nail is lining up straight. But pretty much that's all you have to do. After your 20 to 30 seconds, you can just take your cuticle pusher and shave off any excess acrylic that spills out from pressing down the press-on. And you also want to make sure that you get underneath your nail when you turn it over, so that way you don't have that lump underneath as well. Now I'm just giving you guys another look a bit closer up so you can see exactly what I'm doing. It's pretty much the same procedure. Dipping your brush into your acrylic liquid to get it wet, and then taking it into the acrylic powder to get a small ball, that you're going to lay on your finger. And then you're just going to apply your press-on afterwards and hold for about 20 to 30 seconds.
This is why I've been saying no new friends, no. You know how this is not 4 years ago. Time escapes me now. Forget how it felt when the shit's low. I come through in whips that make a young girl take the long way
easy
home.
peasy.
All my young girls round me saying, get where we learn these values. I do not know what to tell you. I'm just trying to find a reason not to go out.
Now I am going to let you guys just watch me finish doing the rest of my fingers. I'm not going to show both hands in this video because it's pretty much me doing the same exact thing on the opposite hand.
Oh no, I'm not alone, even though nothing was the same. Let me get your ass alone. Let me make you say my name, say my name.
It feels different, don't it? That too. I let time pass by, but everything around me remind me of you. You the fountain of youth, then I found that in you. Took 2 sips, now I'm drowning in you. Flashbacks when I ain't trying to think about you. Only bring you up when I rap in the booth, so I ride in the coupe. We was riding it, that I drive you with, where our time is.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to leave me a comment and hit that like button. And if you want to see more, then girl, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can be a part of the tribe. You can be a glow getter too, boo. And until next time, bye, Glow fam.